So welcome back to another great video, and today so we are going to see about workspace and listening to the video. And by the way, this is Imran here, and so this is scientifically. And today we are going to see about workspace, which is a contact card, which is automatic population of the details of incident caller or any of a member. Okay, so here, so what it's going to do is, so we know that we used to work on this scientifically workspace, but as of now, I need to do some more configuration in that, and we have to just I have to make it so much um, which is so responsive for this workspace. So I need to do so much configuration in this, and definitely I will show you that. So for that, today is not it won't enough for today, because so there is so much of configuration in that, and I need to research some more things. So I don't want to waste this today, and without any content, it's not good, right? So I want to show that how to auto populate the details of a caller, or um, or a which is or a caller in the contact card. So I'm using the basic, which is that service operation workspace, right? So here, if we open any incident, okay, in any incident, we can have this caller, right? In this record information also, we can able to see that this record information, which is the caller, and if you want, we can able to contact here like this. So so today I'm going to see about, just teach about how to get this, uh, which is this this is the thing, which is the company. I am referring a company, and it just auto populating here, and the company name and the phone number, and which is email address and something. Okay, so all this which is data, I'm just making this to reflect here. So for that, if I change the, which is incident, means you can also see that for this there is no company, so that's why it's not populating anything. And for this also not available. Okay, I think it is also not available. Yeah, I think, yeah, see, the company is Australia, and it's auto populated here. So fine. So today I'm going to show about how to get it, achieve this. Yeah. And as usual, we are going to UI Builder. In UI Builder, we can able to get that SOW. Wait. So how to I tell you how to come here. Okay. So I'm opening the service operation. Otherwise, you can able to search it in the experience tab. Here in this page collection, you will be having that a record. Here, see, record. Here you will be getting the SRP record, and SNC copy, and like this. So in your version, maybe SNC or SRP. So don't confuse with that. And if you have under the record, you can able to get that record copy, which is, sorry, SRP record. So I have created a record copy, and I have made it as a I am made that into reflected over there. So I'll open this. Okay. So actually, I made a copy of this variant, and I make it as a true, which is active true, and which is original one is I make it as a false, so it won't overlap with each other. So see, we can able to come here, this which is page, and if you click this now. See, this is called sidebar tab. So here you can able to see that. So at this, yeah, we don't want the sidebar tab top. We'll just click here, which is top sidebar. It will be it is a this is a component. Okay, so I'm clicking this component and I want to add another tab. But these are all the tabs. Okay, these are all the tabs, and this is one of the tab, and this is the one of the tab, and these are all the page collection. So we can able to add the pages also. And as of now, I'm showing that how to create a tab and how to create a logo in it, and how to add, how to make it, how to populate there. So I'm starting with empty. Let's make it as column. Let's choose an icon. It's loading a bit, and let's choose something. It's a color, right? Yep, I'm choosing this. Okay, it's already there, so we'll choose another. Searching user, and we get this. Okay, I'll choose whatever thing it is. Yeah, I'll choose this. Right, it looks much better. See, we can able to add a new tab in it, and this tab has been shown here. So you want to make it as a top, means you have to drag and drop it under first. See, let it load it, and yeah, see, it is loading. Okay, fine. Okay, let's choose this, and yeah, okay. In this tab, see, the color is there, right? In this tab, we are going to add a contact card. Here we can able to add a content, so as contact card. Yeah, before that I'm right clicking this, add a tab. No, not this. Add before that HTML. Okay, not HTML, text, style text. Okay, we have added here. In the style text we can edit. Okay, so color details. Let's save it. So let's refresh it. We know that UI Builder has so much caching. Yeah, click. We can clear this cache also. See, we have this caller details and the contact. record. Okay, so here here in the collar will, if we click this, yeah, this is fine, make it a center, and okay, so in this text let's make it as not a paragraph, let it be a h1, yeah, color details is fine. So for this styling, we need the padding, no, margin as m, and the padding as m. Okay, so it looks good, right? So yeah, coming into the point, and we have to make it this edit name as a dynamic. So for this, what should we need? In here data source, you'll be having the form controller. That form controller, you'll be having the form. In that form, you can able to refer fields, and that fields can able to get that caller ID, and you'll be having that display in value, which is called David Miller. That is a caller. If you double tap here, it will auto populate here. See, data dot record dot form dot fields dot caller ID dot display value. So if I click yes, see, you'll be having the David Miller. Yeah. So for this, you'll be having that David Miller, and that is the caller of this field. Okay. So for this, if you want to add one value in a field, if for that you can able to use the data pill. For making this happen, for just a list of values, for this list of values, you have to do scripting. So for that, we are going to wait. Here we can able to get that all values from field. Assign to, yeah, fine. So for this, you have to look up, you have to add data source as lookup record. Here in this data source, we have to use lookup single record, not lookup records. We have to get a single record, right? Here you're referring, which table I was referring. You're referring sys underscore user. for the record, so this is auto populate, but we need user. Yes, where is that? Where is that? See, user. Sys underscore user. For this survey user, it just auto populated. See, you can able to get that results. Sys ID display value. For this, we need to bind a dynamic thing, right? From form controller to get form to field caller ID, and this is original ID. Yeah, we are going to just original ID and the references IDs, which is assess ID of the user. Okay, I'll be applying this. So if you want to add a row, what are all the records you need? You need a company, and you need email, the female phone number, and first name, home phone. We need that street, whatever thing we want, we can add it. Zip code, yeah. As of now, it's fine. So yeah, we add here. See, you'll be getting all the values: email, employee number, first name, phone number. As of now, it's a null. Street name and zip. So what about we can add a country also, right? Yeah. Where is that country code? Yeah, there is nothing there. Yeah, fine. Okay. Yeah, it just loaded country, and as of now there is no value here. So here we have looked up the values. So here we have to make it as a dynamic. So for that we're going to write script for this. So here let me do one thing. So let me create a one variable. Okay, we create one variable called fields. So I'm sharing as a JSON. Okay, mm, let's leave it label name, not name, email, value. There is a magic API dot data dot dot results dot see company and email dot display value. So let's copy this and yeah. So for email, make it as a phone, country, state, and zip code, and we'll add street. Okay, so for that we need to change this here. Phone number, right? C home phone dot display, country dot display. So that is zip, right? Yeah, zip dot display. I don't know, street. Yeah, street is available and display. That's it. See, now we have given that. Did it load? Let's hit load. Save it. Let's reload it. We'll see why it's not working. Okay, I'll check this. Yeah, this is the thing which we referred. Okay, we'll check here. Okay, there's everything is null value, I think, right? Yes. So that only it's not looking up. Zip is null, street is null, name is there, home phone is null, employee number is null, display value of email is showing here. See here. See, we can able to see that which is the caller is auto populating here. So like that, it will be auto populated. And we'll see one thing. I'll do one thing. Yeah. Let me delete this. Oh, sorry. I won't return anything. Yeah, now it will be work. Sorry. See, let's save it. Yeah, see, we can able to get it this value dynamically. I'll do one thing. I'll add this for David. Value for all of this. I'm going to use a table. I'm searching for David. David, I'm opening this David Miller. Let me add this is as yeah, and first let's save it. By number, email address already available. So I'll do one thing. I'll I'll add. I'll configure layout. As of now, it's not required. Country country code and home phone, street, state, zip, and that's it. Yep. Add into that form and let me save it. Test street, state, make it TN, zip codes. Yep. Let's save it and coming back here and let refresh it. This is for David Miller, right? So with the zip and with everything we have already saved here and check here. Okay, let's refresh it. Need to clear the cache. Okay, there's a country right phone. Yeah, it's everything is fine. Yeah, the email is coming, right? Yeah. Okay. So yeah. So this is how we can able to auto populate all the all the fields here. So it will work. There is a catchy issue. Eventually UI builder have so much catchy, and so if I refresh 1 or 2 times, it will be reflected here. So don't worry about it. And if you have any queries, you can definitely ping me below, and I'll definitely resolve this. And I'll come back to the which is the scientifically workspace in next video with the awesome updates. Yeah, thanks so much. Bye.